Wow, is this a public pool? It smells completely different from the ocean.
Marina, wait. We need to buy tickets first.
That's the smell of chlorine. My skin might tingle.
Sorry, Sarah. I'm still not used to human rules.
It's okay. All right, 2 adults, please.
Hey, that bag over there. No pets allowed.
Huh? This isn't a pet. It's a toy.
I am just a rubber doll. Whoosh.
If it's used as a float, fine, but keep an eye on it.
That was close. Bubbles, don't move.
The locker room. Do we change here?
Yes. Put your shoes in the locker and wear the key on your wrist.
Human legs are hard to balance on when changing clothes.
You'll get used to it. Now, take a shower before going to the poolside.
Take a shower before entering the water? That's strange.
It's a hygiene rule, so everyone can use the pool comfortably.
Cold? Fresh water feels colder than ocean water.
Wow, the pool water is sparkling.
No running. The poolside is slippery.
He's strict, but a good lifeguard. Let's do some warm-up exercises.
Warm-up exercises? Am I doing this right?
Perfect. Now, enter slowly, feet first.
What if my legs turn back into a fin?
The potion's effect should still be working. Don't worry.
All right, here I go.
Feels good, right? Try walking in the water first.
It's heavy. I didn't know walking in water was this hard.
That lane is for swimming only. If you're walking, use the walking course.
Sorry, we're moving.
There are so many rules. The ocean is much freer.
That's human society. Now, let's practice the freestyle.
Like this? Rotate my arms?
Whoa, it's a tsunami.
More gently, like you're catching the water.
It's difficult. If I had my fin, I could get across in a second.
You too, want a kickboard? Beginners shouldn't push themselves.
Thank you, Mr. Fins.
Use the kickboard to practice kicking. Don't bend your knees too much.
Marina, you're fast, like a motorboat.
Whoa, too much speed. Watch out for other guests.
I just got carried away. Swimming is the best.
You learn fast. Next is breathing practice.
Breathing? Can't we breathe underwater? Oh, right.
Being human is tough. Gills make it so easy.
Hey, you octopus, don't sit on the lane rope.
Busted. I'm just a plush toy.
Shall we take a break? There's a jacuzzi over there.
A warm bath inside the pool area? Wow, so many bubbles. It tickles.
Rotate out of the jacuzzi every 15 minutes.
Shall we get out and have some ice cream?
Ice cream. That is my favorite thing.
I want grilled squid. Just kidding.
Eat in the lobby. Only water is allowed on the poolside.
Would you like to join us, Mr. Fins?
I'm on duty. But I might consider it later.
Haha, he seems to have a soft spot for Marina.
Today was really fun. Can we come again?
Of course, next time we'll try the butterfly stroke. Hi everyone, welcome to today's review.
Today, let's review English phrases you can use at the pool.
Teacher, what was admission?
Good question. Admission means entrance fee.
When you want to say two adults, you say two adults, please.
Am I child price or pet price?
Bubbles is a toy, so he's free.
Next is locker room, the place where you change clothes.
To put shoes in the locker is put your shoes in the locker.
And wear the key on your wrist. Wear the key on your wrist.
Next, swimming styles. Freestyle means front crawl.
Breaststroke is breaststroke, swimming like a frog.
Backstroke is backstroke. That's my favorite.
Important point. Don't forget no running.
Slippery means easy to slip. The floor is slippery.
Take a shower means to wash in the shower before entering.
Tread water means staying afloat in one place.
All right, you all remembered well. Safety first.
Finally, don't forget to enjoy. Have fun.
See you next time. Bye.